In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button to a GoDaddy website. To get started, open your GoDaddy account and make sure you're signed in. This is where you'll access your website settings and editing tools. If you manage more than one product in GoDaddy, take a moment to confirm that you're working in the correct account before moving forward. Once you're inside your account, click on your profile. This will open the main account area where you can view the different services connected to your GoDaddy dashboard. From there, click on My Products. This section gives you access to the websites, domains, and other tools available in your account. Next, find the specific website you want to update and click on it. This is an important step, especially if you have multiple websites, because you want to make sure you're editing the correct one. After opening that website, click Edit Website. This will launch the website editor, where you can make changes to the design and content of your page. Now, go to the specific place on your page where you want the button to appear. Try to choose a location that makes sense for your visitors, such as near a call to action, a service description, or a contact area. Clear placement helps make the button more useful and easier for people to notice. Once you've selected the right area, click Add Section. When the section options appear, choose General. This category includes common content elements that work well on many types of pages. Inside General, click Buttons. You should now see the Buttons section option available for you to use. Click that option to add it to your section. After it appears on the page, you can begin positioning it within that section based on the layout you want. This is the point where your page starts to become more interactive, since buttons are often used to guide visitors toward an action like learning more, getting in touch, or moving to another part of the site. Once the Buttons section has been added, you can then add as many buttons as you want. This is useful if you'd like to give visitors multiple choices, such as linking to different services, pages, or actions. As you add more buttons, keep your layout clean and organized so the page stays easy to read and navigate. And that's it. That's how to add a button to your GoDaddy website quickly and easily.